Hello guys, welcome to my channel Think Large. So today we are going to discuss some basic informative questions related to food science which are helpful in the preparation of food safety officer examination including other entrance exams. So the first question is, in onion, purple color is due to option A anthocyanin, option B chlorophyll, option C carotenoid, option D none of these. And the right answer is option A anthocyanin. In onions, purple color is due to the anthocyanin. Next question. Nutritional information is not required for which one of the following products? Option A pickles, option B soft drinks, option C bread, option D biscuit. And the right answer is option A pickles. The next question. Eat Right India movement is built on two broad pillars. Option A eat healthy and eat safe. Option B eat right and eat safe. Option C eat healthy and eat nutritious. Option D none of the above. And the right answer is option A eat healthy and eat safe. These are the main two pillars on which Eat Right India movement is built. Next question. The aim of Swasth Bharat Yatra is option A eat healthy and eat safe. Option B to cascade the message of Eat Right India to every corner of the country. Option C to adopt a healthy lifestyle. Option D all of the above. And the right answer is option D all of the above. Means all of the options, option A, B and C, all these are the aim of Swasth Bharat Yatra. Next question. Name the food hygiene rating scheme of FSSAI for restaurants. Option A serve safe and healthy. Option B serve safe. Option C serve safe and nutritious. Option D serve right. And the right answer is option B serve safe. Next question. What does IFSA stands for? Option A the Indian Food Sharing Alliance. Option B the Indian Food Saving Alliance. Option C the Indian Food Security Alliance. Option D the Indian Food Sharing Agency. And the right answer is option A the Indian Food Sharing Alliance. So IFSA stands for Indian Food Sharing Alliance. Next question. What shall be declared on every package of food? Option A gross quantity. Option B net quantity. Option C approximate quantity. And option D none of these. And the right answer is option B net quantity. So net quantity should be declared on every package of food. Next question. Midday meal scheme covers under option A BIS, option B FSS Act, option C APEDA, option D EIC. And the right answer is option B. Midday meal scheme covers under FSS Act. Next question. What does green dot on food packet stands for? Option A, vegetarian food. Option B, non-vegetarian food. Option C, organic food. Option D, fortified food. And the right answer is option A, vegetarian food. Green dot on food packets stand for vegetarian food. Next question. Which of the following is not an artificial sweetener? Option A, saccharin. Option B, aspartame. Option C, sugar. Option D, neotame. And the right answer is option C, sugar. Sugar is not an artificial sweetener. Next question. Full form of BMI is option A, body mass index. Option B, body matter mass. Option C, body meal diet. Option D, blood mass index. And the right answer is option A, body mass index. BMI stands for body mass index. So guys, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.